Okay, YouTube, this is a total hack, but I made myself a cabinet for a new battery-powered miter saw and a plug-in thickness planer. Yeah, but I just didn't want to waste too much space. So anyway, I made this thing, so I welded up. This is pretty small. This is like 5/8 or something. Angle iron. It's probably way undersized for this. But I made a base that's a square, quote unquote. Anyway, it's a 1-inch iron pipe fulcrum there, or pivot. And there's just some 1/2-inch plywood on the sides and a little bit extra there just to support the pivot a little bit more. But anyway, I don't have proper lag bolts for the there's just long wood screws here, so I don't want to overdo it. But there she be. So you have to go one direction for the planer, the other direction for the miter saw, which is unfortunate. But that's all I could do with the materials I had. And there it is. So that'll take up less space. And probably I'll end up using one more than the other. Like I'll only use the thickness planer if I get my hands on some good sort of more natural materials. Or I start actually, whatever. Anyway, there it be.